Remedies presents How to make apple tea at home for weight loss. Apples have soluble fiber, which is great for weight loss. Apples also have malic acid, which ensures a healthy digestive system. A healthy digestive system is linked to better weight loss, and to reap the goodness of apples, brewing on apple tea is not a bad idea. The healthy compounds that are found in apple tea have positive effects on the blood sugar levels inside the body. Apple tea is a concoction that is made by boiling apple slices along with black tea leaves and can be spiced with cinnamon. It is a great weight loss drink. Let's see how to make the tea. Ingredients: apple 1, water 3 cups, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, tea bags 2, cinnamon stick 1 small piece. In a pan, put water and add lemon juice to it. Switch on the flame and add the tea bags too. While it is boiling, with the skin on, chop your apple into cubes and add them to the boiling water. Let the mixture simmer for about 5 minutes and finally add your cinnamon stick to it. Strain the tea out into cups and have it. Apple tea can be consumed when it is hot or when it is chilled. The best time to drink is first thing in the morning. Drinking apple tea in the morning can be helpful in improving your digestion, which in turn can cure constipation and lead to weight loss. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.